Welcome friends, in this playlist I already told you how can you integrate Django with React, and I also will cover the basic concept of React. And if you know about React, so you can skip this both conceptual video. So in this video we are going to create a new component and we use this map function inside this component. So this map function for what? For book title means this. These all are book title: physics, mathematics, history, geography, and here are the all descriptions. So this map function is for description. So please watch the previous video, means this video. If you know about React, you can skip both this video. So this is the books object, and here we grab the book title from the books object. You can see here, these all are the books title. Now remove this. And here inside the source just create a folder and name it components, and inside the components just create a file and name it book title, book_title.js. Now at first import React from React. Just copy this and here paste it and remove this. Now here create a function and name it book list, and here just type props, props. We use the props. Here just type return, and now just type book list. Now save it and also save it. Here you can see nothing. Now we use this book list component inside app.js. At first you have to export this component, so just type export and default export this book list, and go to app.js. Here at first import the book list, import book list from where? ./components/book title, and now use this component book list. Here type this. Okay, now save this. So you can see the book list. Now go to this component book list and here use the map function for grab the title of the books. So I just copy this and paste it here. At first type the books object, then use the map function, and then type any variable and just name it book and use the functional arrow key, and then it return book.description. So I just remove this and just here type title, because title is the field inside our Django REST framework project. Okay, so this field will show the title of the book. So this books object comes from where? Comes from props. So here just type props.books.map and just copy this books and go to apps.js, and here inside this component book list, and here just paste it books. So this books equal what? This books equal this books object. So here just pass the books object with a curly bracket. So just type books inside the curly bracket, and also you can change this variable name books, and books equal to this books, and this books is this object. So here I just change this variable into list, and now go to booktitle.js, and here also just use list variable. So now just save it, and now save it, and you can see the all books name here: physics, mathematics, history, and geography. So you can do similar things with books description. So just go to app.js and just remove this. From here I just copy this and go to components. Here just create a file name book_desc.js, and here just create a function name description, description, not description, this is book description. So book description, and use the props also, props, props, and here return, and then just type the div tag and now paste it here. So these books come from where? From props, props, props.books.map. So now go to booktitle.js. Here just copy this, import React from React, and now go to bookdescription.js. Now paste here. Now use this component. So at first you have to import book description component from the components. So just type import book description. So just remove it, and here just type book DESC. So at first you have to export this book description also. So just type here export, 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 and default export this book description. Now go to app.js. Here just type import book description from ./components/book description. Now use this component book description. So just copy this and paste it here. So at first save it, and you can see nothing. So here just type the component's name, book description, and now pass the object. What is our object? Books. This is our object. Now copy this. Here just create a variable name DESC equal this books object, and now use this variable DESC. Just copy this and go to bookdescription.js, and also you have to change this books to DESC. So now save it, and here also save it, and now you can see the book description also. So I think this is very clear how can you use the new component with props. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in next video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.